Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am giving you all the answers of chapter 5, A Vet in the Forest, from your English Literature Reader book. Like the previous chapters, I am only giving you the answers. Please copy the questions from your book. Exercise A, Answer 1. There were 3 men in the team that went to Bishnupur Forest. S.C. Day, Chief Wildlife Warden of the state; Subrata Chaudhary, an officer specializing in tranquilizing animals; and the speaker. They went to the forest to treat an injured elephant. A veterinary officer who had no experience of treating elephants joined them afterwards. Answer 2. The herd was chased away by a group of villagers who shouted and burst crackers. The herd had to be chased away so that the injured animal could be separated from it. The injured elephant could be treated only if it was alone. Answer 3A. The patient was an injured elephant. Answer 3B. The speaker's team needed help to locate the patient, the injured elephant, because it had been moving constantly with the herd and the speaker's team did not know where exactly the elephant was. Answer 3C. The word enthusiastic tells us that the villagers were very willing to help. Answer A. They quickened their pace. They were following the injured elephant, which had begun moving more quickly because it had been pricked by the dart. Answer 4B. The injured elephant lay on its side. Subrata had fired a dart gun with a tranquilizer at the elephant. The medicine took effect in 5 minutes and the elephant fell over and lay down. Answer number 5. The vet made a deep cut across the swollen part of the elephant's leg. It brought out a flow of black blood. Then he treated the leg, gave the animal a shot of long acting antibiotic, and bandaged the leg. He also gave an antidote to the elephant, which would revive it. Answer 6. No, the speaker and his team were not irresponsible. Although they wanted to stay around for the elephant's revival, they could not have done that because there was no tree that was strong enough to support a machan where the team could spend the night, and it would have been very difficult to spend the night on the ground with about 50 wild elephants nearby. Exercise B. Answer 1 C. Answer 2 B. Answer 3 B. Answer 4 C. Answer 5 A. Now the last exercise is appreciating the text. Answer A. Facts and details like place, time, and people involved, and clear description of the events and relevant action. Answer B. At first, the team did not know where the injured elephant was or how to locate it. Then, a young man approached them and said he knew where the elephant was. He had been taking food to the elephant. The next problem was to separate the injured elephant from its herd so that it could be treated. After some discussion, the team decided to chase the herd away so that the injured elephant would lag behind. The villagers helped the team by shouting and bursting crackers so that the herd ran away. Now, the team needed to locate the injured elephant. Again, the villagers helped them by finding the elephant. Finally, when the team had treated the elephant, they were worried because the elephant did not wake up when it was supposed to. The villagers helped by bringing buckets of water from a nearby stream to pour on the drugged animal. to keep its body temperature down. Eventually, the team had to leave the spot because they could not stay near the elephant, although they would have preferred to. Later, they heard that the elephant had revived in the night and the herd had taken it away. The last answer C. Yes, this problem solution style of writing does contribute to the suspense in the text. It makes us wonder how each new problem may be solved, whether they will be able to treat the elephant at all, whether they will come face to face with the herd of wild elephants, and so on. So, children, this is it. These are all the answers of the fifth chapter of Wet in the Forest. Write them down in your fair copy. Don't forget to draw margins after every answer and leave proper spacing after each answer. Thank you.